Filming. So Ollie just brings out the iPad and springs it on me that we're doing a YouTube video. I've got sawdust in my eye, but we're fixing the transitions on the ramp. Well, I am, but the boys are helping, because it was too acute and it needs to be mellowed out. And a mate, Taz Pappas, who is ex-Rob #1 skateboarder, dropped over and said this is what you need to do, so that's what we're doing, we're fixing it now. Sorry to name drop, but you know, if you're going to get advice of somebody how to build a skate ramp, ex-World #1 skater is not a bad person. So, yeah, we've had to fix it, and that's what we're doing. So here we go.
So, yeah, do the time lapse. On to the next beam. Yeah, so we just drilled. Yeah, we're getting the next beam.
No, because we need
Oh yeah, one more here. Right? You have to drill more screws in there, and then you have to do the middles in, and then we do that all up there and all up there.
I didn't want to.
I just
The next thing we need to do, after we get all them up, is cut the coping in. So we're going to have to cut this back. Right. Get the coping in.
I accidentally put all our footage in slow-mo, not in slow-mo, just one part of it in slow-mo. Sucks. Yeah. But like this side going up. The first few ones we were seeing were off balance, so we had to undo it and then redo it. Actually, it's still a bit off, but it should be good. We're still meant to drill these parts down here. Here. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it. We're not gonna do it in parts because 11 minutes minutes. Anyway, that's a bit of a long show. We've got the top part, not the top, but this side going up, done, on the top. The next video we'll be doing the other side going on. Bye guys!
Bye.
Good one. I know you love me.